In front of me is REALME GT7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Accessibility and Convenience. Then scroll down again to tap on one-handed mode and use the switcher to activate it. If you are using Trick's navigation, select Settings in the pop-up to switch it to gestures. It's the only way to use one-handed mode on this device. So switch it, click Cancel or Learn, go back, tap on grey switcher and follow all of those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. As you can see, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back to standard size screen, you need to swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode, use this switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!